What is going on? So that was a lie, I didn't get any sleep. But it's all good, cause we're back. It's your boy, that guy that did it. About to do a day in the life. And this is a day in the life of your boy, that guy that did it.
Shower time.
Alright, so we're back, guys. Normally, that happens. I do this. I'm running late. But it's coffee time. Really quick. Woo! What up? I said what up? Yo, so we're out here. Windshield wipers going. Phone about to die. Great day outside, right? But the phone's gonna die. So we're gonna get this shit charging. We're gonna get see that? It's charging. So we're gonna do a quick car vlog. As long as it goes, we'll go. If it doesn't die, then you got a good video coming. If it does die, I will make sure to get more footage later on today after it charges, and we're gonna fucking fill this video with content. Just shit I do all day. Alright, we're about to take off, boys. We're in reverse, boys. Oh, I hit something. That was a joke. But what if I did? When you go to put it in your reverse, and then you put it in park, and then you're just like, what the fuck? What the fuck am I gonna do now, huh? I didn't even hit the e-brake. Woo! It's a bright day, man. Holy shit. Alright, about to put the sunglasses on. Now we're good. Now we see. Now we don't even fucking blink for the rest of the video. Start counting now. Alright, so we're about to take off. I don't know how many times I'm gonna do a video where I say we're about to go to my boy Dom's, we're about to record, we're about to see what he could do on the skateboard. But it seems like it just won't work. But I think the charger I brought in my car today will charge my phone. And that means we will get some footage, guys. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah! Woo! Oh, Mr. Hyundai boy. Mr. Hyundai boy in the white Hyundai wanna race. Mr. Hyundai boy wanna race. So, speaking of my boy Dom, how lucky can we possibly get? There he is. There he is in the white car back there. Yeah! We got some footage of Dom today. Yeah, my boy Dom. Shouts out to Dom. Light green. We made it, boys. There's my boy Dom's house. We're out here. We couldn't even close the sunroof. Let's get it. It's closing. It's not closing. You're automatic. Why are you automatic if you're not gonna close automatically? So somehow we made it all the way here, actually, using 1% of my battery while it was charging. So it wasn't charging, but it was keeping it charged. It's cold. It's a nice day, but it's freezing. Grab the board. What's up, guys? We're back. You already know. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any recording, any footage at my boy's house. He ended up going to work. So we're back at my house. I ended up hanging out there for a little while, but we're back at my house. I think, get back into the good lighting. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna shoot a little skate sesh in the basement. So let's do it. Yeah. That's how we do it. They ain't ready for this one. Yeah. Just saying, baby.
All these suckers sit and try to say I can't keep up, but they're just talking out the ass. Think they wanna get beat up, cause they don't even get on the mic and try to spin nothing. I'm a demon firing them, they don't wanna get it up. Motherfuckers thinking they can get me, put my feet up. I ain't worried, I'm sorry if you want me, gotta speed up. Do you truly think that you can soon be on the top? As far as I can see it, you won't ever make it while we up. Bruising losers and prisons lyrically, I'm a zen master using music as a tool to kill them on it. Cooler usually, but you see blue like a dead rapper. Storm is brewing, you're cruising, but soon it'll be the end up at Johnny. You're choking the crowd around, but you're joking, you're cooling down, cause you know when the shit is just getting deeper. Counting down in the seconds, I mean, if I had a record, I mean, I'm breaking the record, getting lit like a beacon. I mean, I'm climbing, I'm creeping, I'm trying to shine like a heater. Time to wipe out the beat, I'm a kill like a reaper. I'm a thief, I be thieving. The crowd around, I was cheesing, cause they don't really believe it, and they're starting to doubt me. So I turned around because it's too much to count, and so I grabbed 30 rounds, but you can hear when it's pounding. No bodies are found, but when the place come around, we grabbed all that's value, then hit the next town. Be not to.
That was the first time I tried that. It looks doable. Doable.
Not to be honest, I ain't really wanna do it like this, but I had to get it, had to do it, cause I'm pissed. All these other cats, they don't like it, so they pissed, they pussy, so I go on them like a sis. My girl's taking over like they took a prison at your place. You a lion when you write your diss. Leaning on the wrist, more like leaning on the wrist, more like really bro, no more bull, leave that's on the wrist. I'm fine, I will write my line, still line by line, till I'm sure it sound good. Might try slash it with my guys here side by side, but I know it's now too late in the game to gain any fame. So staying in the same, ain't changing your lane. You're making the lane with the way that you shake it. You're taking the game instead of fading, you break it. It's fading, cause fading, you're taking the places, forgetting the faces. I'm making the great, hit the green and it's lately and faking. It's aching my head and I'm shaking, just waiting to flip. Insane and it's sick the way they spit, how it's hated by most, but damn it still stick. Just saying is the trick that y'all came here to get. Now I'm making so fakers got no chance to win.
That was the closest one so far. Yeah. Alright guys, I think I had enough. I got hurt pretty bad a couple times. I'm not gonna bitch, I'm not gonna be a little crybaby, but